is Sylvain, Senior Technician and Trainer over at Confection Evoca. Today, we will see how to maintain properly your Encore Venti machine. And to do that, you will need the following tools: a pair of scissors, a paintbrush, bean upper key and the door key, clean towels, an empty mug to collect the water coming out from your machine, products, and a filter paper roll. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a daily basis. Filling the bean hopper. Use the hopper key to unlock and remove the cover. Then fill up the bean hopper. Once done, put the cover back in place and lock it. Refill the soluble canisters, open the door of the unit, pull the top cover wrap, remove the splash guard, refill one soluble canister at a time. Remove the soluble canisters one by sliding each canister upward. And refilling them on the countertop to prevent any spill inside the machine. Repeat these steps for each canister. Replacing the filter paper roll. Cut the filter paper roll before the brewing assembly. Go into the service mode, hitting the white switch on the board. On the service menu, push the filter paper install button and follow the instructions on the screen. Remove the empty filter paper roll. Replace the filter paper following the install procedure located inside the machine. Pull the yoke assembly upward slightly. Feed the filter paper down into the waste bin. Can brush any excess of coffee grounds on top of the brewer mech. Pass the filter paper under the left guide bracket of the brew group, under the brew chamber and under the wheel guides by gently lifting them using the yoke. Feed the paper into the waste bin. You must feed the paper at least 6 to 8 inches away down inside the waste bin. Follow the instructions on the screen to confirm that you've replaced the filter paper, and depending if you installed a new roll or used roll, answer yes or no. Once you're done, exit the service mode. Emptying the waste bin. Cut the filter paper at least 6 to 8 inches away from the yoke assembly and then pull the waste bin out. Dump the content into a trash can. Clean the dirt train grill under hot water. You can use a soft soap and brush off any residues. Once the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Clean the splash guard under hot water. Brush off any residues. If needed, use a soft soap. Once the cleaning has been done, let air dry completely. Now it's a good time to brush and clean the inside of your machine. You can use a paintbrush to remove the excess of beans, Soluble product inside, and make sure that you wipe off any dust or products on the inside of the machine. Once done, slide the canisters back in place through the top opening. Make sure that each canister is seated properly using the alignment pin under the canisters. Turn the soluble elbows down. Reinstall the waste bin. Once cleaning is done, reinstall the splash guard inside the machine. Put the top hood back in place. Once the parts are dry, put the drip train grill back together. And reinstall on the machine. Clean the outside of the machine and make sure its surroundings area is clean and tight. Now that the maintenance have been done, it's now time to run a rinse cycle. First go on to the service mode by pushing the white switch on the main board. Place a cup under the spout and hit the rinse button on the screen. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once the rinse has been completed, hit close on the screen and you'll notice that the rinse counter is back to 0. You can also reset the waste bin count by pushing the reset waste bin button. Confirm. And exit service mode. Do not drink what came out from the machine. Dump it into a sink and make sure to clean the mug. You are now done with the daily cleaning actions to perform on your machine. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a weekly basis. Remove the splash guard. Cut the filter paper at least 6 to 8 inches away from the yoke assembly and then pull the waste bin out. Empty the waste bin into a trash can. And wash it using hot water, and if need be, you can use a soft soap. Use a soft brush to clean up any residues inside. Let the waste bin air dry. Pull the top cover out. Turn the soluble elbows up and slide each canister out one by one through the top or the front of the machine. Now you can remove the elbows of the canisters one at a time, and you need to wash them under hot water. After the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry Repeat these steps for each canister. Make sure to let the elbows air dry completely before reinstalling them on the canisters. Slide the canister back in place through the top opening. Make sure that the canister is seated properly using the alignment pin underneath the soluble canister. Turn the soluble elbows down. Put the top hood back in place. Once the waste bin is dry, put it back inside the machine. Do not forget to reset the waste bin counter. First, go on to the service mode by pushing the white switch on the main board. You can also reset the waste bin count by pushing the reset waste bin button. Confirm. And exit service mode. Reinstall the splash guard. On a weekly basis, inspect all the whipper bowls, canisters, and hoppers. If you find any obstructions, parts that might be broken, or not working properly, contact your service provider. Close the door of the brewer. You have now completed the weekly maintenance of your machine.